thinking maybe I need to slow people down and keep them from driving fast. I don't get it. Maybe he had a bad day. This doesn't make sense to me. So what do you do? What do you do? Do you just stay patient and stay behind him? You hit the gas real hard and try and pass him, risk going off the road? I mean, there's not a lot of options. You have to be super aggressive to try and pass this guy. And what are they on? They're on a freeway, it looks like? Maybe a highway? Definitely a high-speed road. It looks like they're going maybe 20? Like, this is... It's looking real sketchy. So, it looks like the truck wants to pass. Okay, car said, go for it, give it a try. You haven't seen what this guy's been doing. The guy on the right wants to pass so bad. Ooh, two people just gonna push their way through. Man, that guy's got a double trailer. Like, you never know who's recording. You take a big risk in your career just to pass this guy. Oh, he got off. That guy was smart. He said, you know what? I'm just going to use the other road and pass you that way. Oh, never mind. He's not getting off the road. He's driving in the incorrect lane. Oh, sped forward. Something happened to the clip. Okay, he's going to go for it. He said, yes! And then the truck driver's like, no! You don't dare pass. Here's a little karma for you. What'd you get, man? Honestly,